Welcome back, guys. It's Thursday, and the big question in crypto right now is, will Bitcoin break that $20,000 level? Will Ethereum break that $1,000 level? We're going to be looking at both charts and then going into the smaller time frames, particularly for the Bitcoin price, because I have some key updated levels on the smaller time frame, i.e. the next 24, 48 hours and into next week. The key level to watch right now is that 20k level, so we're going to talk about that as well in this article from Bloomberg. Without any further delay, please smash the like button. Do turn the bell on as well and subscribe so you don't miss a future video, guys. So quickly on this article, before we go into the updated price levels that you need to make a note of, Bitcoin Battle of Leverages makes 20,000 the key level to watch. So just to give some kind of illustration and context to that, yes, $20,000 is a big psychological level. It's also approximately the all-time high in December of 2017, or that market high, should I say. It's acting as support now. Will we break it? If we break it, what this article is basically saying is we could see a huge liquidation run to the downside, and we may see pressure down to around $19,000, $18,000. A decline in Bitcoin below the $20,000 level could snowball into a broader route in the market that's already reeling under tightening global liquidity. So it's not just Bitcoin and crypto. The markets are in a very, very vulnerable position. Those of you that follow the more macro trends will know that interest rates went up 0.75% the other day. Jerome Powell stepped in to battle inflation, and we have a slowing market, slowing economy. Pre-market today, on the 16th of June, like I said, it's Thursday. Markets have opened up in the pre-market on the futures market in the negative. The Dow is down, the S&P, the Nasdaq. European markets are down quite significantly. So there's a lot of fear. So this little rally that we've been seeing the last 24 hours may be premature. So this is why I want to show you these shorter term price levels for Bitcoin. So let's get into the price levels good and proper. And just quickly, guys, for those of you that want to take advantage of these moves in the markets right now for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, do check out the link in the video description, because we have a brand new 5,000 USDT bonus when you make a deposit on BITGET. I've been trading on them a little bit in the last few days because I have this new partnership with them, and they've given us this exclusive offer. As long as you make a deposit of at least $500 in fiat or cryptocurrency, you can check out all the details here in the link below how to claim that bonus. And on the BitGet platform, there is these great videos, beginner's guide, how to trade, so you can learn how to use futures, how to deposit. It's all there, and it's a very good platform. I've been trading with them the last few days in addition to my Bybit partnership that I have. So let's look at the Bitcoin price levels first of all on the weekly, just to cover these, and then I'm going into the smaller term time frame to show you my levels that I'm predicting. So actually $20,000 is the level to watch initially. The next level is the weekly level of 16,500. The monthly level is at 14,235, and the weekly level beneath that is $12,000. So this is the more midterm time frame. And just to show you the ultimate bear target that I have, if you haven't already seen it, it does look something like this. We had this pole of our bear flag, we had our bear flag like that, and ultimately when you have a pattern like this, I've shown this so many times on the channel, but just in case you haven't seen it, or as a reminder, we are targeting around that $10,000, $11,000, $12,000 mark, and I am expecting that to happen at some point this year. I really am. The technicals lead to that. And also, just quickly before I go into the smaller time frames for Bitcoin, just to give you some idea, perspective, the bull market top December 2017 to the bear market bottom, which was sort of December 2018, took a year, went down 83%. So if you see an 83% correction from this high, some of you, again, if you've seen this already, apologies, but I just want to rejig this so there is the perspective. If we did come down 83%, thereabouts, it does bring you to that $12,000 level. Time of recording, we are down 70%, just to add some perspective to the market. So what we're going to do now is look at the smaller time frames. This chart by the way, guys, comes from the Marzell Trading Academy from Exit Strategy. He's one of our coaches, technical analysis. If you want to learn more about the Trading Academy, link in the video description below, where we currently have 50% off. I won't go on about all the details in this video. Just click the link if you want to learn more how to trade. You can do so from complete beginners in your own time. And we have 12 remaining spaces at this very special 50% discount. So let's look at these levels together. We did create a top, a market high, should I say, at $22,963. And now what we're currently looking at are the following price levels. The next level to reach is the golden ratio, $21,120. And you can see at $21,175, we are now at that level. So we can look beyond that and look at the 1.618 fib level, which does take you around to $20,150, $20,200. And the next ultimate target, if we break the $20,000 level, guys, is $18,635. So in terms of a trade, if you go into the smaller time frames here, let's go into the 4 hour, you can see by going down to that level to about $18,500, it's about a 12% move, 12.5% move, which means if you had, for example, like a 10x leverage trade on that, that could potentially be 120% gains. Now, trading on leverage allows you to make those gains, but be careful because trading's risky as well. The great thing about BitGet, like I said, they have these videos, these tutorials, how to trade, how to use leverage. I recommend watching those before you start trading, and obviously make sure you sign up with the link so you can claim that bonus free crypto to try out the platform. BitGet also have a kind of demo platform as well to start practicing, so I recommend doing that as well. So with the Bitcoin price levels that we just covered, my let's say the likelihood I believe that we're going to come down to $18,635 within the next week is high. It's about 75% chance. The invalidation point, so i.e. if you do want to short, where you should have your stop loss should be above $23,400. That's how you minimize risks. Correct money management, correct risk management during trading, very, very important. So that's what Bitcoin's looking like. Feel free to take a screenshot, pause the video. While you're down there, like it and leave a comment as well. By the way, I don't know if you've noticed, or maybe you haven't left comments on my channel before, but I now have someone dealing with all those horrible spam comments. So you should be able to communicate with each other, ask me questions, leave comments, and you won't actually have the interference of people trying to get you to WhatsApp them from random exotic different places. So yeah, enjoy the comment section down below, guys. We've put a lot of effort into minimizing all that spam. Let's look at the Ethereum price levels. Ethereum actually came down and hit a crucial target, which was this head and shoulder pattern. The target from that was hit, as you can see, and this is one of the shorts we took going back sort of in January of this year. We came down, hit that target. We're now being well supported at the monthly level, which is about $1,100. The next midterm, long-term target is about $900. That's if we break $1,000, and like with the Bitcoin price being 20,000 at the previous market top, Ethereum's market top in January 2018 was about $1,000. So very significant level. These are the levels for Ethereum to watch going forward in the bear market. You've got $920 at a weekly level, you've got $610 at a weekly level, you've got a monthly level down at $400, and just above another weekly level at $463. Let's look at the smaller time frames for Ethereum by going into this 4-hour chart. The way I see it is we're trading within this kind of rectangular pattern at the moment. It looks something like this. If I can find my rectangular tool, this is basically the support and resistance. The support is down at $1,090. Resistance is up at approximately $1,250. In terms of a trading range, you've got a nice percentage of about 13% to trade. So at the moment we're approaching the bottom of that pattern. So a nice long position you could potentially look to put in here. It would look something like this. You could set your long up here. You could have your target up at 1,250. Stop loss invalidated at about 1,081. You've got a nice risk to reward ratio of 3.5 to 1. Correct risk management, correct money management. And again, guys, you can, this 11.68%, for example, if it was 100x leverage, it would become 1,100%. That is the power of using futures, but it is very risky because you can lose money as well. That's why BitGet is great, because they have all these beginners guides, how to trade, and they have this demo platform to use as well. Lastly, once again, as a reminder, use the link in the video description below because you'll get up to $5,000. Check out the sale that we have on Marzell Trading Academy if you want to invest in your future of how to trading, how to use leverage, how to use the market indicators properly with myself and my coaches. Thanks so much for joining me. Leave a like, leave all your comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Check out any one of these videos on screen. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.